The following instructions are for a Nucleus workstation. Before we begin, make sure you have all parts and tools needed for the assembly. With the cabinets aligned together, place the 1/4 inch 20 by 30 mm joint connector bolt with Loctite through the pre-drilled hole on the inside of the cabinets. While holding the joint connector bolt flush to the cabinet, take a 1/4 inch 20 by 17 mm joint connector nut and attach it to the end of the bolt. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench or 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to tighten as needed. With all three cabinets attached together, take the caster base and center it on the cabinets with threaded inserts facing up. Using a number 2 square bit, attach the caster base to the cabinets using number 10 1 1/2 inch square drive flathead screws. Align the casters with the threaded inserts. Use the 1/4 inch 20 by 25 mm joint connector bolts to attach the casters to the cabinet. Repeat that for the remaining casters. With someone's help, position the cabinet right side up. Make sure to have all the locking caster levers pushed down to secure the cabinet in place. Place the top on the cabinets. Align the pre-drilled holes of the cabinets with the threaded inserts in the top. Using a 1/4 20 by 35 mm joint connector bolt, insert the bolt through the pre-drilled hole up into the threaded insert of the top. Now use a 4 mm Allen wrench or a 4 mm hex bit and a screw gun to fasten the bolt into place. If the shelving, doors, totes, and trash bins were removed, place them back into place. The wire pulls are factory installed on the inside of the doors to prevent damage in transit. Unscrew each wire pull handle using a Phillips drill bit and a screw gun. Reattach the wire pull on the outside of the cabinet. Repeat this for each of the wire pulls for both cabinets. You have now completed the assembly for the Nucleus workstation.